Welcome everyone to the life of a bird feeder. As you can see, our bird feeder has no more birdseed left. So we're going to have to refill it with some more birdseed. In this video, you'll see a time lapse of the birds eating this birdseed in the bird feeder leading up to this point, and we can show you about how long it takes for a bird feeder to lose all of its birdseed. So now we're going to get some more birdseed to refill the bird feeder. We have our birdseed right here, and we're going to fill that up with this. So my grandpa's just going to take that down first, take it off of the line, put it down on the ground, and we have a tomato soup, a little tin can, so we can pour the birdseed. So we have our tomato tin. We're going to start pouring it into the bird feeder. This might take a bit, so let's speed this up. And okay, that's all. So we finished putting the birdseed in. Now we're just going to put the bird feeder back on the line up there. What exactly is in the birdseed? In this birdseed?
First of all, we have sunflower seeds.
Yeah.
And the blue jays really like sunflower seeds. The other birds like there's chopped up corn.
Okay.
Wheat.
Okay.
Millet.
Yep.
Oats. And each bird likes its own particular seed in particular. Some of them will only eat from the ground. You hear that? Here comes a chickadee.
Yep. There's one
Let's
right there.
wait. Come on, chickadee. That's it.
Oh, here.
You see ya?
It's going on. Yeah, so the birds come every day. They just keep eating until it's empty. And then there's the squirrels and the chipmunks who always come and eat the birdseed off the ground when it all falls. We have a wide assortment of birds that come to eat from this bird feeder. What are some examples of some of those birds that come and eat?
Well, the one you see now is a chickadee, magnificent flyers, and there are quite a few of those, and they stay here all year. Then we also have nuthatch. They like to eat insects from trees, but they'll also eat seeds. And we have juncos, little black birds that only eat from the ground, but they're migrating. In another week, they'll go farther north for the breeding season. Sometimes a blue jay, 2 or 3 kinds of woodpeckers, mostly downy woodpeckers.
Those are really cool looking. They have like a red stripe on their head. That's cool. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for setting up the bird feeder. And now we're going to show you guys the time lapse that led up to the bird feeder being empty. We'll try and speed it up a bit. Thanks for listening, and here's the time lapse.